All right, we're here at the new joinery. This is the building that we got. I thought I'd take you on a really quick tour so you can see what it's like. All right, here we go. All right, this, when you first enter, is going to be the bench area. We're gonna have benches along this wall and the ability to have an instructor teach you whether it's glass making or stained glass work or woodworking. That's where this is gonna be. And we've got a front room. So I think this is gonna be a tech room. This may be where the 3D printers and the lasers and maybe electronics workbench, but we'll see, not quite sure. We have the facilities here, just nice big facilities. And then this, if I'll slow it down a little bit for you, this is where all the woodworking tools are going to be. Pretty slick.